welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stake your TRS on your Trust wallet. So the benefit of staking is to earn more TRS and convert it to money. If you can look at the screen, I have been staking a little amount. So for the benefit of this video, I'm going to unstake it and stake it back. The higher TRS you stake, the higher reward you get in return. Right now, I'm going to unstake it. If you can see here, I have unstaked my TRS. So to stake it, you have to click on the Tron again. Then you click on stake. Click on stake here. So it's going to show you the percentage you're going to get for 3 days of any of your TRS. You can stake more and you can stake less of TRS. So you add the amount you want to stake. You click on continue. Then you click on confirm. You enter your password. Then it has successfully staked. It's going to show you your reward and show you the amount that is available. To unstake it, you click on unstake, and to claim the reward, you click on claim rewards. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe.